In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the scroll bar from your Wix website using CSS. This simple tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to give their website a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. We'll walk through each step methodically, ensuring that you feel confident in applying these changes yourself. All you'll need is your Wix website access and a bit of time to get everything set up just right. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to your website editor. From here, we'll head over to the Settings menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section, as it holds a lot of the customization options for your site. Our destination within the settings is the Custom Code section. This is the area where you'll have the opportunity to inject your own bits of code to modify the appearance and functionality of your website. At this point, it's important to note that adding custom code requires your website to be on a premium plan. If you're not on a premium plan yet, you'll want to upgrade in order to proceed with these changes. This is crucial since the ability to add custom CSS is only available with premium features. It ensures that your changes integrate smoothly into the site's live environment. Now, once you're in the custom code section, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter your code. Here, we're going to add a small snippet of CSS code that will remove the scroll bar from your website. Insert your CSS carefully into the provided text box. This process may seem a bit technical, but it's essentially telling your website's styling engine to hide the scroll bar, giving your pages a tidier look. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to double-check your code entry for any errors. Even a small typo can prevent your code from working as intended. Pay attention to each character and ensure you haven't missed any semicolons or braces. Once you're confident that everything is correctly entered, it's time to apply the changes by clicking the Apply button. This crucial step commits your code to the website, and you'll soon be able to see the results of your work. After clicking Apply, you might want to preview your site to ensure the scroll bar has indeed been removed and that everything displays as expected. Remember, having a premium plan not only allows you to make these changes, but also enhances your website's capabilities, giving you more control and customization options. And there you have it. With these few straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the scroll bar from your Wix website, achieving a sleeker, more modern look. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your website.